Nowadays, on the blockchain, digital cryptocurrencies are mainly divided into two categories, namely, the native cryptocurrencies called coins and tokens. Some examples of native coins include Bitcoin and Ethereum. They have their own main chains and provide economic incentives for the coin miners, who use a predefined algorithm to generate more coins into the public blockchain. In comparison, tokens are released on the existing blockchain and use the feature on the chain such as Ethereum smart contracts to transfer records to the ledger. In addition, tokens can also be further divided into two subcategories: homogenization tokens and non-homogenization tokens, which are also called as fungible tokens and non-fungible tokens. The difference between the fungible tokens and non-fungible tokens is that if two tokens can be interchanged at will without their owners arguing about it, they will be considered as fungible. So, fungible tokens are non-unique, which is very similar to the existing coins like Bitcoin and Etherum. If somebody paid you a Bitcoin, you don't need to know where this Bitcoin comes from and who the miner is. This Bitcoin will be considered the same as any other Bitcoins on the blockchain. Also, fungible tokens can be divided into a smaller amount, just like a Bitcoin can be divided into a small amount with up to 8 decimal places, such as 0.00000001 Bitcoins. In comparison, non-fungible tokens, also called NFT, are unique and non-divisible. Each NFT has their own identification information stored in the smart contract written for them, which can be used to differentiate from other tokens. It is just like, for two $1 notes, we use the serial numbers on them to differentiate from each other although they have the same value. Also, the NFT cannot be divided into small amounts like fungible tokens, and they can only be transmitted in the form of an integer. Uniqueness is one of the most important characteristics of NFTs. They have a permanent information tag that records their uniqueness, which enable the information to be used as a certificate of authenticity. NFTs are designed to provide something that cannot be copied. When you buy an NFT token from the market, you will retrieve the record of ownership and the right to use the token. For example, if you buy a digital NFT art, it can be displayed and copied by others, but you are the actual owner of that token. In the near future, the usages of NFT will be mainly on assets which can be tokenized, such as digital assets, online games, domain names, tokenization of real-world assets, etc. In the online games, most of the equipment is unique, which can be naturally realized by NFT due to its unique characteristics. If the assets in the game are connected to the blockchain, the ownership of those game assets can be certified. In addition, NFTs can tokenize real-world assets, such as properties, stocks, and other kind of investments. Let's take properties as an example. The traditional real estate industry has a lot of paperwork to record all land titles and property registrations. In comparison, NFT can digitize the entire process and all documents required. Properties can be tokenized on the blockchain network to be converted tradable tokens, which can be freely traded in the secondary market. In this way, lots of interference from the man in the middle, such as brokers, banks, agents, and lawyers, are not required, and corresponding cost can be saved. In addition, we may also see NFT usages in other areas such as shopping points, tickets, driver's licenses, which can be tokenized based on digital identity on the blockchain. Thanks for watching. If you like the video, please hit the like button or subscribe button for more interesting topics.